Hello good day viewers. Here is another nice quadratic equation expressing negative exponent. The equation is 2x to the power of negative 2 plus 7x to the power of negative 1 minus 4 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us rearrange it. Remember, from one of the laws of indices, you can drop this x down such that its exponent will become positive. So this is the same thing as 2 divided by x to the positive 2 plus 7 divided by x to the power of 1, which you don't have to write, minus 4 equal to 0. The LCM, lowest common multiple, will be what? X squared. Therefore, we are going to multiply all of these terms by x squared such that we have no fraction. This time this will eliminate x squared, leaving only 2 plus. This time this x will go into x squared only x times, right? So x times 7 is 7x minus x squared times 4 is 4x squared equal to 0 times that is still 0. Let us multiply this equation by negative 1. Why? Because look at our leading term has a negative sign. By multiplying by negative 1, it becomes positive. So you can bring it first, which is going to give us 4x squared, followed by this one, the middle term. It is going to become negative 7x. Then the constant will become negative 2. 0 times negative 1 is still 0. This is a quadratic equation that can be factorized. But look at the leading coefficient is 4, not 1. So let me show you a systematic way of factorizing a quadratic equation when the leading coefficient is not 1. First of all, you take this, you multiply by the constant, it is going to give us negative 8, right? Then think of two numbers which when you multiply them together, you get this negative 8. But when you add them together, you get the coefficient of the middle term, which is negative 7. The numbers will be negative 8 and positive 1. But since the leading coefficient is not 1, you're going to divide those numbers by this leading coefficient. So you have x minus 8, or you can start with the plus 1, it doesn't matter. 1 divided by 4, then multiply by x, then minus that 8 divided by 4 as well. The whole of this equal to 0. Now we have two factors. We're going to set each to be equal to 0. Let me start with the first one. X plus 1 divided by 4 equal to 0, which implies that what? X must be equal to negative 1 divided by 4 as positive 1 divided by 4 crosses over. And the second one, you can see 8 divided by 4 is already 2. So we have x minus 2 here equal to 0, which implies that what? X must be what? Positive 2. So these are our solutions that can satisfy our quadratic equation. You can test it in the main equation to see whether you're going to get 0 to the right hand side. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.